Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'll be making curry goat. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. It's onion, bandania, green onions, garlic, and pepper. Also salt and black pepper. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix it up. Yo, that smells good already, man. So now I'm gonna make my curry paste. I'm gonna throw curry, antra masala, jeera, and some water. Alright, so now I'm gonna throw some olive oil in the pot. And I'm gonna test to see if the pot is hot. Alright, so it's hot, so I'm gonna throw some curry leaves in. So after 2 minutes, I'm ready for my curry paste. I'm gonna throw it in the pot. And I'll let this fry up for about 2 minutes as well. Alright, so when I'm frying my curry, I like to put 2 spoons of green seasoning. Give it a nice flavor. After 2 minutes, I fried the curry. I'm going to put the goat in now. Mix it up with all the curry in it. Now I'll cover the pot and I'll check it in 10 minutes. Alright, so after 10 minutes, I'm gonna check the pot now. Oh yeah, look at the color pot. Give it a stir. Ooh, it smells good, man. Alright, so every 10 minutes, I'll be checking it to see if the meat's gonna be soft as well. So stay tuned. Alright, so another 10 minutes has gone. I'm gonna open the pot again. Give it a nice stir. And I'm gonna taste. See if it's hard or soft. Alright, not bad. Still a little stiff. I'm gonna put some more water and let it cook down. Alright, so now I'm gonna check and see if the goat is done. Nice stir. Oh, it has a nice color. Look at that. Alright, let's take a taste. It's really soft and good flavor. Alright, so it took about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. So now it's all done, now it's time to eat. Alright, now it's time to eat. This tastes good. Thanks for over 500 subscribers, and thanks for watching my video today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.